In this video, you'll see some of the CNC carved epoxy map tables made by Chagrin Valley Custom Furniture, including river map tables, lake map tables, ocean map tables, and other waterway map tables. You'll also learn how we make these tables that replicate the actual shapes of real bodies of water in the U.S. The Lower Mississippi River is featured in this 19-foot walnut conference table for a New Orleans-based Port Pilots Association, with custom legs made from real anchor chains and points of interest embedded in the wood. At their new home on the Chesapeake Bay, a Pennsylvania family now enjoys this live-edge walnut dining table that they helped design. The Intercoastal Waterway in New Jersey is featured in this epoxy resin walnut dining table that includes 3 buoys where the canal meets the Intercoastal. With Lake Tahoe as his favorite vacation destination, a computer programmer in California requested this spalted maple coffee table with the topography of the lake floor carved into the wood. The Atlantic Ocean shoreline is featured in this ocean table for a couple who winter in Florida. For their summer home on Lake Sunapee, a New Hampshire couple gave us their design idea for this topographic lake coffee table. The Ohio River was the inspiration for this large dining table made for a big Cincinnati Reds fan. Walloon Lake in northern Michigan is home to the family that ordered this round dining table. Rocky Mountain Lakes are the subject of this map table made for a Colorado family. Since every project we build is made to order, the process starts with a customer submitting a form from our website with their design idea for a map table. From the map, our graphic artist creates a 3D rendering of the water feature. The image is uploaded to a CNC router, which is programmed to carve the outline of the water feature. The table is lined with markers to create a path for the router to follow. The next step is to carve out the remainder of the feature using a standard router. A powdered tint or liquid dye is mixed with the clear epoxy to achieve the exact color or colors requested by the customer. The epoxy is then poured into the hollowed out area of the wood. We pour anywhere from 1 to 4 layers of epoxy, each with a drying time of up to 72 hours. The table is then sent to the spray room for up to 3 coats of catalyzed varnish. Our workshop outside Cleveland, Ohio specializes in made-to-order epoxy resin tables. So if you're interested in a map table like one you've seen in this video, log on to www.chagrinvalleycustomfurniture.com and fill out the submission form. You can call us at 440-591-5511 and talk with one of our designers, or email us at customerservice@chagrinvalleycustomfurniture.com. Thanks for watching.